Every big creator is a YouTube automator. Mr. Beast is the biggest YouTube automator there are out there, if you think about it that way. Why? Well, because he has insane business going on around his channel, around his whole content thing, right? You think it's him creating it? No, he like automation is just a fancy word of saying like putting people and systems in place to help you create better content. That's it. So the way you do that is very different, right? So you could say I'm a YouTube automator as well, right? Because I have people and systems in place, right? Like I don't post a lot of the contents myself, for example. I don't edit the content. I don't make the graphics, right? I just show up to make the videos. So yeah, am I 100% automated? No. But am I like 80%, 70% automated? Yeah. So that's one thing. Do I still believe that like YouTube automation as we thought about it in the past, where you put up together a Faceless channel and, you know, Metix Media, Simon, he's like 100% automated, I think, 95, 99% automated, because now he has hosts, right? Charlie Chang as well, he has hosts making these videos, but that's expensive, man. That's very expensive. So, if you're going to be doing that, you're looking at a couple of $100 per video just to the hosts. So the production of each video is going to come to three, four, maybe $500. So you got to be very confident that every video you make is going to be making at least that money back. And it's a risky business. Well, because cheaper people are going to give you cheaper quality, right? So yeah, it's the cheaper the people, the worse the quality, right? I'm talking about hosts. I tried it. It's hard, man. It's really hard. You got to get native speakers from first world countries who are good on camera, confident, and it's hard. So yeah, making shitty small tutorials about YouTube, like about different tutorials, doesn't work anymore. You have to make high quality, very in-depth tutorials. Yeah. If you're struggling to figure out what to make videos about, then just look at what others are doing, and there's a reason why they're doing that, right? And then you should just basically copy, steal. Good artists copy, great artists steal. Look at what others are doing and just do it, copy that, steal it from them. That's one of the best ways to go about more ideation.